Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Lost Ark not opening. If you want to fix it, click here and then type graphics settings, turn on this option and then go to Windows update settings, check for updates and install all the updates that you can find. Then go to GeForce Experience and go to drivers, check for updates and install all the updates that you can find for your graphics card. Then go to settings, scroll down and enable image scaling. After that, restart your computer, and after restarting your computer, open Task Manager and then close all the applications that you don't need, and of course you must know what they do. I hope that can help you, and see you in the next video.